This is a recast of the 700-word piece, Reduce Installation Hassles with Portable Digital Signage, from loop.tech. Let's listen in.
Today's topic is the challenge of conventional digital signage installations, from extensive wiring, configuring complex networks, to lengthy downtime during setup. These can lead to high costs and disruption to business operations.
But there's a solution in portable digital signage. Features include plug-and-play simplicity, flexibility in placement, reduced infrastructure requirements, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. This new technology allows businesses to save on labor and infrastructure costs and allows displays to be repurposed and relocated, increasing their long-term value.
Portable digital signage is finding success across various industries, such as retail, education, conferences, and healthcare, thanks to its rapid deployment, higher ROI, and less infrastructure, which leads to a smaller carbon footprint.
If you're considering implementing portable digital signage in your business, remember to assess your needs first. Check battery life if you plan to use battery-powered displays, and ensure reliable Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity for smooth content updates. Also, consider investing in robust cases for transportation and outdoor use.
It's also crucial to train your team in setting up and managing the portable displays. Remember to test in various environments before full deployment. Take advantage of touchscreen capabilities if available for enhanced audience engagement, and always stay updated with your portable signage software.
Lastly, leverage built-in analytics tools to track engagement and optimize your content strategy. Portable digital signage is not just a flexible and efficient solution, but also an engaging visual communication setup that drives results for your organization.
That's it for today.